Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong fourth quarter ng 2024, October, November, December. Ayan. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Pisces, what's coming to you October, November, December. You're going to shine. Ayan. So, merong special attention sa inyo ngayong last quarter ng 2024. Maaring mas lalabas ka, papakita mo yung talents mo, yung skills mo, magjo-join ka ng mga contest, or mas magiging outgoing ka. It's your time to shine, Pisces. You also have new beginnings. O merong nagsisimula na bagong kabanata sa buhay mo. This can be a new relationship, new business, new career opportunities, no, bagong bahay. So, tingnan natin what specific new beginning is this. Fourth house. Oh, new beginning sa family. Pwedeng bagong family member, or merong bagong bahay, bagong properties. Let's see what else for Pisces. Abundance. Wow, ang ganda naman, Pisces. Abundance, this is having all that you need, no? Lahat ng pangangailangan nyo, this is going to be provided para sa inyo. So, i-claim nyo na yan ngayong last quarter ng 2024. You will be blessed with a lot of abundance. Ang abundance naman di lang sa material na bagay or sa pera, pwede rin tong abundance in your creative ideas. Abundance in love. Oh, diba? Let's see what else. Pisces. Fourth quarter. Oh, the Empress. Kaya naman pala, you're going to shine. Kasi maaring, you have this confidence na parang na-attract sa'yo yung mga tao kasi marami kang naipapakitang talento, abilidad na talaga namang hinahangaan ng iba. Yung iba nasa ano kayo, entertainment, social media, content creation, fashion. Oo. I think you will also change your or i-improve mo ang iyong styling ngayong last quarter ng 2024. And the Empress is also about abundance, no? So, whatever need na kailangan ninyo, this is going to be provided para sa inyo. Some of you, if you are manifesting a baby in your life, no, that's also part of the new beginning here. Pwedeng may bagong member ng family, which is your baby. Oo. You also have the star. Wow, Pisces, ang ganda. The star is about your hopes, your dreams, your wishes. So, maaring meron kang ma-achieve na wish mo bago matapos yung 2024. Yung iba sa inyo talaga very talented, no? You are, pwedeng nasa entertainment industry kayo. And this is also about healing. So you are healing from your past, healing from your trauma. Let's see. You also have the Apprentice of Swords. So this is learning. So yung iba sa inyo, you're going to be very curious in learning something new. May mga bago kang pag-aaralan, re-research na alam mong makakabuti sa iyong pag-unlad. Maari ring dahil yung iba sa inyo, you are gaining a lot of attention. Maaring meron mga taong nag-check ng profile mo, parang gusto nilang malaman yung background mo, especially if you're a social media influencer or a content creator or artista ka. You have the Eight of Swords. Alam niyo, Pisces, marami pa kayong kakayanan na hindi niyo pa nadi-discover kasi natatakot kayo sa sasabihin ng ibang tao, sasabihin ng iba towards you, no? Kaya yun yung naglilimit sa inyo na mas ma-achieve pa yung ibang mga bagay. Kasi iniisip nyo, naku, paano na lang pag ganito, ang cringy naman. Alam nyo ba, may mga, I don't know kung may TikTok kayo, but maraming mga content creators sa TikTok na ang gaganda na ng buhay nila ngayon. Kasi mas pinili nila na ano, yung kahit na maging cringy sila or may mga taong nambabash sa kanila, as long as napapaunlad nila yung sarili nila, wala silang pakialam, 'di ba? So, I feel like some of you, meron kayong mga talento pa na kailangan yung i-share sa mundo, okay? Na wag yung itago kasi sayang naman. Money, career, finances, you have the Justice card. So, this is bringing balance into your life, into your finances. Maaring maayos mo na yung cash flow mo ngayong last quarter ng 2024. I also see na mas magiging maayos yung mindset mo pagdating sa pag-handle ng finances mo. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring ayan magiging open kayo sa new beginnings. Kasi yung iba, hindi na kayo masaya sa situation nyo. And I feel like itong justice card is also you making a decision. Kasi you are weighing the pros and cons. So yung iba sa inyo na hindi masaya, hindi kontento sa career path nyo, sa finances nyo, meron kayong magiging change. I think that's part of the new beginning. And pag-aaralan nyo yan. I-research nyo kung paano kayo mag-shift from a career to another career or a business to another career or career to a business. Sa love life, you have the Apprentice of Cups o meron talagang nagkaka-crush sa inyo, Pisces, or merong mga interesado sa inyo. Baka meron kayong marireceive ng mga admiration from others. Meron ditong nagre-regret. Someone is feeling sorry about their action. So, maaring merong person sa buhay nyo na merong nagawang kalokohan sa inyo at itong taong to ay nare-realize na niya yung nagawa niya. Kaya pwedeng itong taong to ay hihingi ng sorry sa'yo. Sabihin niya, Pisces, patawad. Pwede ba ulit? Oo, parang siya, manunuyo. Well, at least, 'di ba? Na-realize niya yung nagawa niya. You have, may ile-let go. You're going to let go of something. Can be your situation, your career. It's like releasing something that is no longer serving your highest good. Ayan nagsa-strategize ka na. So, ngayon pa lang na last quarter ng 2024, ini-strategize mo na kung paano mo sisimulan yung 2025. No? Kumbaga, alam mo na kung ano yung nakakabuti sa'yo, alam mo kung ano yung hindi, at mas magpo-focus ka dun sa mga bagay na nakakabuti sa buhay mo. And you will also spend time to relax. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, may mga inaalala. May mga bagay na nakakapagpa-stress sa inyo. Kaya, having a vacation is going to be very helpful sa inyo ngayong last quarter ng 2024. Oo. Alam nyo kasi, pag nagbakasyon kayo, talagang i-disconnect nyo yung sarili nyo sa iniisip nyo sa trabaho, sa business, or sa career ninyo, kung ano man yung pinagkakaabalahan nyo. At mag-focus kayo sa meditation, katahimikan ng isip, releasing of the negative energies. Kasi yun yung time na talagang magkakaroon ka ng clarity. Oo, mas magbibigyan mo ng guidance rin yung sarili mo. You will be able to connect to your higher self, what's best for you. Ayan hold the highest vision for your life, you now possess the ability to move past any hurdles. Yes. So, ano man yung mga challenge na kakaharapin nyo, ngayong last quarter ng 2024, kayang-kaya nyong malagpasan yan. Stay grounded and welcome the new knowledge and perspective coming to you. See, meron talagang new beginnings, may bagong knowledge. Like what I mentioned kanina, meron kayong pag-aaralan, anything na nakakakuha ng interest ninyo. This can be sa trabaho, bagong skill, or bagong knowledge na pwede mong gamitan for business. You are the truth seeker, awakening, actualizing, transcending. How can you invite more grace to guide you? Yes, truth seeker ka talaga. So, yun nga, you are studying, you are looking for answers, no, dun sa mga bagay na gumugulo sa isip mo. And now, every time na nagkakaroon ka ng clarity, mas lalo kang nag-a-ascend, Kumbaga, mas lalo kang nagiging in alignment of your life's purpose. And if we are aligned sa ating life's purpose, ang dali lang na i-navigate yung buhay, yung life, okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye.